a great pleasure for me to prepare these different tutorials on a specific database that you have already heard about. This database is called Otology-Neurotology Database, called ONDB, and as you probably know, I've used it many times for all of my latest publications regarding stapes surgery, ossicular reconstruction, etc. Many of you, when I was traveling abroad to make presentations about my papers, about my surgical techniques and results, I had the opportunity to discuss this database, and I know that many of you were asking a lot of things about this database, how to get it, how to use it, etc. It's a great pleasure for me to tell you that this database now will be available online, so we'll be able to download it online. And there is a completely, I'm not attached to the company itself which makes this database. I've been working very hard to make it possible since many years, and of course I was at the head of the preparation of this database, and I just wanted to be sure that once this database will be online, it needs to be absolutely fine, decreasing as much as we can the different types of bugs that could be present in the database. So this database, again, was created many years ago, and the point of this database, the main aim of this database was to be able to put to all my patients prospectively according to each type of pathology inside of course the field of otology. But as you will see, which is really interesting with this database, is that you can customize by yourself the database, which means that inside otology first, you can completely change everything you want inside by yourself. You don't need the use of any specialist to make it. Computerized guy, you make it yourself. You just remove things, and then you put new items, new names, etc. So, for example, if you want to use another prosthesis which is not listed in the list of previously input prosthesis in the program, then you can by yourself create the name and make it easily. So I mean, it's a very easy program for that. But even apart that, you can also create it. You can also use it for any other specialty, which means that you can create this database and customize this database and design this database for rhinology, for head and neck. Of course, you have to know how to make it, and of course there will be several tutorials, and one of them will be dedicated to show you how to customize by yourself the database, and the name of different things, how to create, for example, new items, how to customize it for rhinology. I'll show you that in a specific tutorials. The point is, as you will see, when you will export your data, when you make a study on one series of, ossiculoplasty, for example, you can export this on an Excel file. That's, at the moment, this is one of the difficult point, and we need to improve that. I'm pretty sure that we'll be able to do it differently in the very near future. But at the moment, the only way is to export that on the Excel file. I show you that there's a specific tutorial for that. Once it has been exported on Excel, then you can easily use this exported Excel file to import it to any other high-level statistical program to make the real statistical study. But I think you will see that you can really use it for any type of study you want to make. And the other thing is, I think it's a very easy program to use, very easy to understand, and I will give you the link and the URL from which you can download the program. You can use it for free for some time, and then if you're happy with it, then you can buy it. And of course, again, there is no connection with me in terms of business. I don't make any business with that, but of course, I'm very proud of this program. As you know, many of you have again asked me to show it and to make a demo on that. So I'm extremely proud that I was able to make it with one of my friends, Denis Alcaraz, who is an engineer. And when we started at the beginning, we started with only the ideas of making something and to make it easy to use. And it was a long way to make it, but now it works very fine. At the clinic, of course, we have it and we use it for all our patients. And I know that I have friends like Chris Aldrin, Wilco Grolman, also in Utrecht, and other people in the past were using it for their own research. So I think it's really nice, and I just wanted now to make it because I thought it was really crazy that this wonderful program could not be used on a reasonable price for people who would like to use it. This program again, and just to finish my presentation, so this program can be used for one computer if you want to use it by yourself, which I do myself, by the way. But also you can use it for with a network, and then of course you will need to download a specific software. Not software. You will need to download a specific way for the network. But this will be explained online on the website of ONDB. So thank you very much for listening on that, and please watch the different tutorials, and if there is any questions, be free to send it. Many of you have my email, so I'll be happy to help you. You can also send some questions or ideas via YouTube. I will read it and I try to reply as much as I can. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoy all these tutorials. Thanks very much for watching.